You
Video don't start. Okay, good day, viewers. It's my pleasure to have you in our channel today. Today is 29th of August, 2023. And you know, one of the beautiful things we like doing is to promote catfish seed production. Because from my evaluation, a lot of persons have invested in this sector of agriculture and they are not making something out of it, and it has been frustrating. When I mean frustrating, terribly frustrating. So we keep showcasing what we are doing to inspire you that you can do it well once you get it right. So now you can see that from the course that I've received, one of the threatening challenges we have is temperature management. All over have been a serious issue. So I'm going to be telling you what we do. Like our fry, if you look at them, can you see them? At this stage, you can see how active they are. We normally take them out for those who have been following us. But this time around, we have stopped taking our fry out because we discovered that once they go out, they find it difficult to adapt, especially when it rains. The drastic change of the water parameters become aggressive to them. So what we do, we keep nursing them until they are completely 1 month old. And even when they are 1 month old and we felt they will not be able to move out, we can still manage them. That is why, like in this little place now, we have other chambers that we have created. You can see I'm transferring them. Just starting the transfer now. And let me say something again. The way we transfer our fish is very much important. So for we don't use the outlet, we boil our fish. We fry them like water. So it's actually not an easy task. You can see, fry them like water. Everywhere is fish. Healthy, smart, very, very active. So one of the reasons why we are doing this, we want to spawn again. We don't want them to be occupying our space so that we'll be losing time. This particular one now, many people eyes on it to collect them, and there will not be enough. So this is fish college at work, transferring their, I will not call them fry again, no. I'll call them post fry, transferring them. Okay. One of the reasons why we love transferring our fishes, when we move them to a new place that the water parameters are okay, it tends to give them a beautiful and well conducive environment. So even we can remove them, clean up. I think we are not spending again, we can remove them, clean up here and return them back, just the way it is. So what is my advice for you today that is following us? I will encourage you, if you have been following us and you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel right now. Then if you have subscribed to our channel and you are yet to get our manual, let me go and get copies of our manual so that you see them. So if you are yet to get this material, I will consider you as an unserious student. Try to get it. You can see the name Mastering Catfish Breeding and Management with a good side. It's so rich to help you to be successful. So if you're among those who are crying every day, if you're disturbing the ear of God, just imagine if all the whole people in the world are shouting God, God. Let me say if your name is Moses and everybody shouting Moses, Moses, will you like it? So let us reduce, well, I will not say that you are giving God headache, but let us reduce some of the stress that we are giving our Father in heaven by helping ourselves. Take all this material. Then for those of you who have gotten the material and you have not registered for mentorship, register for mentorship. The reason why we like stressing the mentorship is not because of the money, the way some people use it. Your case will be different from the other person's case. So we have a way of handling your issue. Like recently, we supply a lot of kits to people, and the reason why we supply is when doing the mentorship, there was need for them to get the kit. Like a neighbor, since their distance is fast, to know what is actually happening. So if you want to give the lasting solution to your farm, I will encourage you to be a committed student. Okay, be a committed student. There is no price in life that didn't come with a price. Every good thing comes with a cost. So I will encourage you to get that done. You can see what we are doing. This one that we have moved now, they are very, you can see them, how they are jubilating. Very, very fine. You can see them. So we have not finished transferring and we are very, very happy. We are very, very happy. So I will encourage you to do something before something will do you. Or if something has been doing you, like some of you, you will see this leaf and you'll be wondering, what is this leaf? What is that leaf doing there? Is it color? All these things are things that you need to know. You need to know. So don't die in silence. And if you have asked questions and they have not satisfied you, why not ask again? I do tell people, keep asking questions until you get answers that cannot be questioned. Do not punish yourself and be living in ignorance. Ignorance is the Satan, is the devil that limits people to greatness. So at this point, I want to say thank you for being part of our community. I'm equally going to show you some of the activities we carried out last week. Okay, so I'm going to do a kind of replay. But what you're showing right now is happening right now. Thank you. I love you. Goodbye. Alright, so once your fish are ready, you have no option but to sell them out to clients who have booked for them or who really want to buy them. So actually the videos you have been watching is to inspire you not just to be hardworking or diligent, but to be very, very careful to do the right thing you are expected to do to get your expected result. So once you don't get it right, you cannot get it right. So you need to try everything within your reach. I do advise people, do all your possible best to search for knowledge. We had some visitors that came to learn and they were sharing their experience, how they have suffered for years and they have been having challenges. But I thank God that within the few periods that we train them, they'll be sharing testimonies, and I do encourage them that in life you don't need to give up. Even the Bible encourages us to seek. So you need to keep searching for the right knowledge. There's nothing like knowledge. Knowledge is powerful. In all you're getting, get the right knowledge. And once you get the right knowledge, it cannot be taken away from you. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you employ your best in getting the right knowledge, and once you get it, it's not all about having the knowledge, you have to put it at work. And if you have been following us and you are not careful to practice what we are teaching you, you will not have good results. But when you bend down to take them bit by bit, that's why I said our training starts from studying our manuals, so that we ensure you are getting the process right. Then there are other things that we may not be able to say them out because it might be personally related to you. Like as I said initially, people challenges differ. So it could be the structure of their pond that is disturbing them. So it could be the kind of food they are using. Some it could be their water quality. You know, that's why, as I said, I encourage you to enroll for our mentorship platform so that we can relate with you one on one. We have been doing this for a long time and it have helped a lot of person and it's still helping. So I will encourage you to do that. If you have invested maybe your life saving in this business and you are feeling so bad, I think this is an opportunity for you to try something good. And I'm so sure that God Almighty will show you mercy and grant you a success that is wow. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I'm not just giving you a hope. I'm telling you reality, something that will help you, something that will make you smile again. So let us promote catfish farming. This is your friend, Mr. Joel Onwachuku, a product of Nnamdi Azikiwe University, a member of Fish Society of Nigeria. And it may impress me to let you know that through my service here, this same thing I was doing helped me to get State Honors Award in Ondo State where I served, and I'm grateful to God. So since then, we have been affecting life and we are still making more impact. Together, let's make our world a good place to be. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Even as we journey into Ember season, a season where everybody is very, very busy gathering money. So thank you. We love you.